Hi guys, I just want to talk today a little bit about meditation, my favorite subject. There are so many more people that meditate today, let's say compared to 5 years ago, but there is still so many that I know that look at meditation as something that they don't have time for, or they try and it doesn't work because they cannot stop their mind from thinking. And those are most common answers I get every time I ask people if did they try meditation. And I'm not here to judge. I was that person less than 10 years ago. I remember I had the sleep issues. I would go to bed and turn and twist for like an hour before I fall asleep, and then wake up in the middle of the night, cannot fall asleep, and next morning, of course, I need coffee to wake up. We all know if you don't have a good night rest, then you'll have a lack of energy during the day, lack of clarity. You will be reacting on things instantly instead of being, thoughtful. And I remember one of my friends asked me if I want to meditate, and I said, no, I don't have time for it. I'm too busy. But I think if someone would just explain me simply what meditation is and what it does for your body, and that is the very natural state for our body, maybe I would look at that differently and start meditating earlier. But I know one way or another, the life brought me to meditation, and I've been meditating every day for the last 5 years, and it changed my life in so many different ways. But a lot of people think that meditation is very spiritual or only spiritual practice, and it can be if you want it to be, but there is so much like psychological and physiological aspects of meditation that I want to talk a little bit about. Like, it's very interesting that meditation is most studied technique, but still such a small amount of people that meditating on a regular basis, like every day. It's a small amount of people. And I think it's still to the lack of education and awareness in our society about these mindful practices. For example, the study that was done in Harvard Medical School shows that within the first 3 minutes of meditation, when you sit down and close your eyes and start breathing and still stay alert, and within those first 3 minutes, your oxygen consumption drops to from 10 to 17%, which during the deep sleep, our oxygen consumption drops through the course of hours to 8%. So, and oxygen consumption is a very good indicator how much work your body is doing. So, meditation can bring you to the relaxation deeper than most refreshing sleep, and it's available for you within like first 3 minutes anytime you want it. So if you, for example, if you have issues like sleeping issues like I had, so my recommendation would be to meditate like in the late afternoon, like from 4 to 5 p.m. when you get from work, or if you work from home when you finish your work. So that time is the best to unload the stress of the day. And for you to, there's, if you never try meditation or try different type of meditations, like, I don't know what your experience is, but the simple way is just to find a comfortable position where you can support your neck and back and close your eyes and just simply start breathing and intentionally start relaxing your body. That is all what you need to do. And or you can turn on the music, nice relaxing music, or you can find a guided meditation. There's like tons of them on the YouTube. And if you never tried meditation before and you have a very busy life, for example, right? When you just sit down and close your eyes and start breathing, you may feel like your head is a beehive buzzing with all this conversations that you had before, or thoughts, or planning for future, or whatever, you name it, it could be there. You just like will be buzzing with all these thoughts, and it's totally fine, because that's how your brain is decompressed. It's how it processes what caused tension and stress in your body. And you may need to try that for few times, and every time you're doing it, you will do it, and it will be easier and easier, get beyond those thoughts. But it may not happen very fast. Like for me, it took me a while to kind of get to that state when my mind was really calm. But all what you need to do, just let it go, just relax and breathe. And every time you kind of got in your thoughts, you kind of come back to your breath, and again in your thoughts, come back to your breath. And the key is to be consistent, to do that every day. Like start, if 10 minutes is too much for you, start with 5 minutes, but do it every day, and then increase your time when you are ready. Because it doesn't matter how many thoughts in your head, and if you get up and you feel like, oh my God, I don't think I relaxed. There was like so many thoughts came and emotions and whatever it was, but you still get so much benefits from that, because no matter what, no matter how many thoughts in your head, you still will relax your body. Your heart rate will drop. Your breath will start slowing down. Your blood pressure will drop. When you in that relaxation mode, it's still like your nerve endings start repairing. So there's like so many benefits physically you can get from the meditation. And if you do that like in the mid afternoon, for example, and you do that before dinner, you will get to your dinner with more energy, less stress, which means then you need less sugar. You will sleep better. You will have less cravings, and there's like amazing results from that. So I encourage you to try and see how it works for you. And if you need help and guidance, I offer free consultations where you can schedule and we can talk how I can support you in this. And we can discuss what meditation would work best specifically for you, and even practice a little bit in that hour than we have. So I do have a meditation library on my lubasholistic.healthcoaching.com website. I also have a dedicated YouTube channel, The Realm of Tranquility, and where I post meditations consistently there. I also have, you can sign up for my newsletter or notifications from on my website, and I do have a live meditation classes like once or twice a month, where you can participate. There's lots of support for you if you want to bring meditations into your life. And yeah, there is like meditation apps and YouTube channel where you can find just simple meditation for relaxation. There's a lot of things. If you can, like I said, you can choose your own, or you can always contact me for help and support. And let me know if you have any questions or comments below this video. Just type in the comments below this video and I will be happy to answer for you. So yeah, thank you for listening, and I hope you will try to explore meditation as one of the tools for relieve stress, for better sleep, for, I don't know, to balance your life in general. So yeah, that's my message for today, and I will be visiting with you more about it. So until next time, guys, bye.